You will not believe what happened. We met 40 different strangers, but before that, we subscribed the channel. So let's get going. So what was this? This video was all about Yes Theory. Yes Theory is a community who tries to spread positiveness around the world and tries to work on their motto, that is seek discomfort. So our motto that day was to connect with people, make strangers talk to each other. So we had different ice-breaking sessions. One of them was like two people will talk to each other and then they will introduce each other in front of all the people. So that's what we did that day, and it was amazing. I will tell you, you will see the video ahead. And I know it's a long video, but if you're from the Yes fam, watch the whole video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. And also one more thing, the intro that is shot after this video is shot by Surya, one of my greatest friend in Yes Theory, and he's a great photographer, great videographer, great cinematographer, and you can check his channel in the description. He's amazing. See the video. Love you guys. Also guys, stay safe. This video was shot back on 19 December and I'm posting it today. That is on 19th of April. So stay safe guys. I know COVID is spreading a lot of negativity around the people, anxiety, depression, all that. But stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Love you guys again.
I'll drop and speak a charm, take the weather from your heart and the weight from on your tongue. And there's nothing to your side for you to recognize. It's honest long ago. Will overflow, flood all I've ever known, break walls and sever bones. Now I hold it in my heart, just for you to fall apart. Stood tall, we'd ever grown. Burn the bed and the dreams I've never met.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do some activities. First थोड़ा unstranging activities करते हैं. So whoever मतलब no two people who know each other can stand together first of all. Okay, so spread out that way that you do not know the person next to you on the right or left. And then once that's done, we'll divide ourselves into groups. जितने भी हैं we'll divide into
pairs. We'll have a lot of pairs.
Yeah, that's why. So we'll divide into like 2-3 groups, make a circle and go around introducing ourselves. So how we're going to do that is we'll pair up. Let's say her and I, we do not know each other. We're going to talk for a couple minutes, get to know about each other, whatever we can. Do not say the general, my name is this, I do that, whatever. Do some fun stuff, like tell about yourself that you would generally not say. Okay, we'll talk about that, and then the other person will introduce.
थोड़ा generic चलेगा.
थोड़ा generic, नाम तो obviously चलेगा, but जैसे now once we've done that, she'll be introducing me and I'll introduce her. Sounds cool? Cool. Yeah, we'll do that first. हाँ क्या?
कोई है जिसको समझ में नहीं है activity?
हाँ ठीक है.
Perfect.
चलो अच्छी बात है. So let's divide ourselves into small circles or 5, 10, whatever. जिसको भी कहा 5. Okay, divide yourselves into 5. हाँ 6 कर लो, 6 कर लो. But no two people should know each other. ठीक है?
And if they do, एक दूसरे को मत.
हाँ मतलब हाँ अगर तुम सेम ग्रुप में तो एक दूसरे को मत करना बस. चलो let's spread out. जाओ जाओ. Find yourself a group.
Don't know. Anyway, guys, meet Uday, avid artist. is an understatement because it's like क्या क्या आर्ट होता है? पेंटिंग हाँ करता हूँ, गाना हाँ गाता हूँ, लिखना हाँ करता हूँ, मतलब म्यूजिक रिलेटेड. He's a beatboxer, okay? This camera here, he's gonna capture all of your faces and put them in a book that he's writing right now. So all of you make sure you have your A game on at all times because वो permission literally नहीं लेता. मेरे 3 फोटो है उसमें, मेरे को पता नहीं है कब लिया इसने.
Consent जरूरी है. What is this?
Please, by turning up, you've already signed the terms and conditions.
Once we have.
So उदय has amazing philosophy skills. कोई philosophy student है तो इससे बात कर लो, ये तुम्हारा ट्यूशन टीचर है. And टैटू दिखा.
मेरे को तो फिर बहुत ज्यादा ना कंसल्ट करना पड़ेगा.
That's his primary philosophy in life, as far as I understood. If you have questions, you talk to him about it. मैं सब explain नहीं करूँगा, उसका मतलब interaction कम हो जाएगा.
His story.
इंट्रो.
That's his story.
His story.
Cool. Go on.
My turn? As you all know, Sid, also known as Siddharma, he eats tarantulas apparently.
I
That's what he
ate
said.
tarantula
He
once.
ate a tarantula.
Why?
It was tasty.
We get it
Deep
before,
fried.
we get
Before
it
you ate it, you know it
before
was
you ate it. So,
I would like to do that.
so what I just liked about talking to him,
Hey guys.
Sorry.
what I liked about talking to this guy was apparently we are so similar that our way of thinking is extremely same. So आप इस मेरे से बात कर रहे हो, almost इससे बात कर रहे हो, right? We have the same philosophy in life that no matter what you go through, you evolve. Whatever you do, you evolve. That's what this tattoo is about. So I just love talking to this guy. He doesn't talk much about himself. He's like, no, I'm just too boring. I'm an introvert. Message you know, he's like that.
Hey,
Introvert who loves talking to people.
Fun fact. I'd like to clarify. I talk a lot, but I don't really communicate. There's a difference.
So he said that he speaks a lot of banter, as you just saw.
ग्रुप इसने बनाया था? ग्रुप इसने बनाया था?
कौन सा ग्रुप?
बैंटर.
मैंने बनाया.
तो तू भी तो कर रहा है. ये भी वही सेम ही है.
सारे ग्रुप मैंने बनाए.
Next
That's
pair,
Siddharma,
please.
give it up.
Hello.
Rizam is a wonderful web designer.
I'm not.
You're not a wonderful web designer?
बता रहे.
Just a web designer.
It's his understanding of you.
Exactly. Fucking. Okay. And she has joined this group because she summons a lot. And she's an introvert. She wants to make new friends. She wants to meet new
I'm
people.
not an introvert, but
That's my understanding of you.
ये तुम्हारी गलती है. पहले बोलना चाहिए था.
हाँ. गलत
I'll
इन्फॉर्मेशन.
speak later.
Ending में clarify करना.
And also she's a wonderful singer, right? You sing very well. Okay, that. इतना ही बात है.
It's okay.
Rohan and
Hi Rohan.
Hello guys.
pursuing MBA from he's अभी तो he's just taking training.
मन गलत गाना बना रहा है.
बना दे सही बोल रही है.
He's training. He just
करना
got a
तो
breakup.
वैसे
And he just got a breakup because the girl cheated.
इसका गर्ल.
इसका घर.
No one cheated on me.
Chill guys, chill. Let us speak.
And
And
she was constantly smiling, laughing, and yeah, we had. I mean, हमारी बात हुई, but I don't know कहाँ सब चला गया, but I don't
we had a wonderful time.
remember. So I guess that's it. I'm really not good in public.
Thank you.
So he's a person who loves to travel, and he's traveled to like many places in the mountains as well. He has recently finished his graduation in hotel management this year itself in May, and he's done a course of vocational studies as well. He is a person who
He's a show-off, man.
loves to play video games. I forgot.
It's okay.
बहुत टाइम है यार.
Yeah, and his mom is into politics, like she's a member of BJP. So
Rupansh is out. His mom is into.
telecast.
दोबारा ये वाला दोबारा. His mom is into.
BJP, like she's a member of BJP. No, he does not support BJP, but
I support
but he supports his mom.
But that's
my
की
God.
बात ना.
नहीं ना.
Can you tell her full name on the channel, please?
अलग करे.
अरे we are just messing.
चलो
with them.
continue.
Okay, so he's basically from Rajasthan. He's a Marwari. Yeah, so something different I really found about his college life is that he almost was in a school because he had to wear his uniforms because he was obviously in hotel management and everything. He had a proper decorum. He could not grow his beard in a college, and therefore he did not have his own thing. So yeah, that's it.
Hey, pause. Which college, bro?
आई चिंबूसा है
तो हमारे कॉलेज से है.
पूछो से
क्या बात कर रहा है? सर.
भाई तुम बड़े हो पहले से
What a coincidence, bro.
भाई सर बोलो यार
Senior. रैगिंग होगी यहाँ पर रैगिंग होगी.
रिवर्स रैगिंग. हम सीनियर को रैग करेंगे.
So hi guys, this is Tanya.
Hi, Tanya.
She's from South Delhi.
भैया.
एक चीज जो मेरे को सबसे बढ़िया इंटरेस्टिंग लगी इनके बारे में
कि ये भैया नहीं बोलती.
भाई
भैया जी बोलते हैं.
भैया नहीं बोलती है ठीक
भैया
है
जी.
लेकिन इसकी मॉम जो है वो कोलकाता से हैं और इसके फादर जो है पंजाबी है. तो आप मतलब हम इमेजिन कर सकते हैं बहुत ही बढ़िया मिक्स है ये.
हाँ.
लेकिन बात करके मेरे को ये पता लगा कि ये इंट्रोवर्ट है थोड़ी. इनका फ्रेंड सर्कल इतना बड़ा नहीं है.
बढ़ा देंगे.
शी इज नॉट like she doesn't know about Yes Story, so I told her about Yes Story. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने बताया इनको. She is for the first time here. She is with Shreya.
श्वेता.
Hi, Shreya.
तो इनको म्यूजिक बहुत पसंद है. इनके पास फ्री टाइम में खाली म्यूजिक और मूवीज वगैरह ही देखती हैं.
काफी chill life चल.
इनकी मतलब लाइफ वो तो इन्हीं को पता है चिल है कि नहीं है.
साउथ दिल्ली यार.
ऐसा मेरे को कोई लगता नहीं इनका लो पॉइंट होगा.
ओ फक नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलना.
भाई मेरा नहीं है कोई.
बीजेपी के तुम ज्यादा कर रहे हो. तुम्हें पता चल गया.
तान्या का भी कोई नहीं होगा. तो ये भी सेम कॉलेज से हैं जिससे राशि है. IHO.
It's Institute of Home Economics.
हाँ तो सेम कॉलेज है. So she also loves dancing.
No, I was a part of dance society for 2 years.
यार लाशा नहीं है यार वो करते हैं ना साथ
लाशा
में.
तो गई ना ब्रो.
कहाँ गई?
नहीं है.
What else?
सोच के
I have a.
मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता.
Find your power. हाँ very casually show it off.
चलो यार और कुछ क्या होगा.
हटो यार हटो. बहुत शौक हो गया.
लड़की बहुत बढ़िया है.
बहुत फुटेज खा
ये
लिया.
थ्योरी में काफी ग्रो कर सकती हैं. ऐसे ही लोग हमारे को चाहिए जो नहीं जानते क्या है. She will correct.
And cut.
As you all guys know, IHE I guess, Indian Home.
यार अभी भी आएगा. आएगा नाम यार नहीं.
आखिरी है. So she is basically pursuing biochemistry from there, and what we actually connected.
ये मुझे नहीं पता था.
What we actually connected on.
नहीं सच.
What we actually connected on was the issue of mental health. So what she feels about that, each and every person should, and especially parents are right now taking steps कि हाँ भाई आ रहे हैं देखना चाहिए. mental health ज़रूरी है आजकल के सिनेरियो में ज़रूरी है. So we both connected on that, and she came across Yes Theory between the year 2016 and 18, which was two of the most crucial years of her life, and that's pretty much it. That
I mean, we talked about a lot of stuff, but it was like most.
कोई वैसे बाकी काफी बोरिंग है श्वेता.
And हाँ, she is actually a sports person interested in volleyball, badminton.
योगी.
Yoga. हाँ, she is into yoga from.
नहीं धरती
She's into yoga from her very young age and left it a year back just because she couldn't find the time for it.
अपने लिए तालियां बजवाएगी.
Hi guys, this is Parth. Hi Parth. So Parth is currently working, I'm not sure which company he's working with, but he's working in sales and marketing, yeah? And he is right now giving interviews. I mean one of his interviews was आज भी.
I am actually working.
उसको बोलने दे.
हाँ तो आज भी इसका तो अभी आज भी he went for interview and then he's come here. Hopefully a second round. I mean first round he's cleared, so he'll be going for his second round soon. So let's hope and pray that he gets through that. Okay. So he's basically from Lucknow, I see.
Yeah.
And लखनऊ से है ये और when fortunately अभी वो इधर आया है तो he's found Yes Theory and the Yes Fam, so I'm happy that he's getting to be a part of this. And he's also been practicing, since we talked about mental health a lot, and he has been practicing heartfulness as a way of life, which basically is on a spiritual side and not basically
Spiritual and meditation.
Yeah, spiritual and meditation. So we connected on that and talked about how we could collaborate and do stuff with that. So I mean that's what we got to talk about in all this time. मैंने नहीं किया तो कोई नहीं करेगा.
to she.
Hi Navdeep.
Thank you.
Nobody does this. What's
And we just can't discuss how much hard work this guy does. He's very hardworking. He actually had, he's just over with his NCC camp. So he was a gold medalist in NCC for shooting. So, shooting. NCC. And with that, as he's free now, he's handling a little bit of family business, and he's doing pretty well in life, I guess. What I liked about him was like how genuine he is. He's very humble and straightforward with things, like what he wants in life. Like he's very straight. So he straight up asked me a very weird question for me is, what do you want to do in life? I'm like, oh God, don't ask me. Interview mat le yaar.
पापा आप?
तो but we connected very well. काफी काम करता है बंदा और रिलेट तो मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही करा क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा काम करता है और बिल्कुल काम नहीं करता.
तो रिलेट कैसे किया तूने?
यार सार्काज़म बताओ क्या होता है ना.
तो sarcastically बोलना भी होता है.
जा वहाँ जाके मुर्गा बन जा.
Yeah, that's all. He's a very amazing guy. And one of the joining members of the
First.
founders of the Yes Theory.
Oh, yeah,
From
yeah,
Delhi.
really
Yes, from
fast.
Delhi.
Yeah.
He was there from the first meeting. जब मैं भी नहीं था.
I can vouch for that.
Yeah, and one more thing. He comes from Sonipat on roadways. That's
Sonipat, bro.
That's very, very hardworking. You can see it right there. That's it.
पढ़ ले.
तो दोस्तों ये जन्मित
जान.
ये
That's why ये नाम ये नाम में गलती होती है इसलिए मेरे को सब बत्रा बुलाते हैं. So that's fine.
डॉक्टर बत्रा बोलते हैं.
डॉक्टर बत्रा. I know them.
भाई को बोलने दो. तेरे ही क्या?
हाँ?
तेरे ही क्या?
नहीं मेरे स्कूल है.
चलो
चलो कंटिन्यू.
भाई हमारा बत्रा ये एमिटी में पढ़ता है.
अरे बतरा पड़ा हमारा मिट्टी में.
पढ़ता है में टॉप करना बहुत आसान होता है. बिना बड़े नंबर आ जाते हैं.
क्या बात कर रहा है? आज दीपांशु he'll say the same about IHM.
उस जगह नहीं जाते. अच्छा भाई अब मेन
भाई को फुटबॉल खेलना पसंद है, बैडमिंटन पसंद है भाई को, और बास्केटबॉल है, और भाई बस पैसे कमाना चाहते हैं.
ये बात सच बोली. बस पैसे कमाना चाहते हैं. लेकिन यार उसके साथ
मत करिए.
What is this? So, अगर ये खत्म हो गया तो एक बात और ऐड करूँगा. पैसे कमाना चाहता हूँ लेकिन फिर भी बेड से नहीं उठ पाता हूँ यार. सो रहा होता हूँ पूरे दिन. ठीक है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द सीन विद एवरीवन.
Relate max.
You just take a fucking blanket and sleep. That's all you do. And this guy is scoring fucking gold medals in NCC. So yeah.
What an odd pair. Opposites attract, bro.
Okay, finish. Are you done?
Yeah, we're done.
Next speaker.
Next pick.
Who's left? Yeah, chal koi.
Dominating.
Okay. So guys, meet Avnish. And he's come here from Jammu just for this meetup. He doesn't say this.
Representing Jammu.
He's come from Jammu just for this meetup.
Oh, just for this
Yeah.
video.
He left his home at 9:30 last night. He caught a train at 12 and came here directly.
That's beautiful. Okay.
Also,
He gets the Instagram shout out.
These dudes come from Jammu just for this meetup.
I heard.
What a good reaction you have, man.
भाई रिएक्शन कितनी बार रिएक्शन दूं मैं?
चलो हो गया
भाई मूवी का शूट थोड़ा ना चल रहा है.
So, she'd been working for a while. He quit his job to try to get into the army. He's trying right now. And yeah. Also, oh, he's a great cook. He cooks amazing Hyderabadi biryani and and so there's this really weird thing that the both of us have in common that I cannot relate with anybody else is
I was gonna say.
he likes kadha. Kadha is in chai that's really
I know.
masala tea that's brewed for like
I don't like it, but I had it.
ages. I love that. I don't drink any other sort of tea that why am I telling that over? So even he does that. And what else? oh yeah, so he's also into art. He likes to doodle and he was a national level gymnast till he was in school.
And he matches his watch with the shoes.
हम ही निकम में रह गए. ये श्वेता है.
ये श्रेया नहीं है. Oh wait, ये श्वेता नहीं है. ये श्रेया है.
ये क्या है?
ताली.
ये तुम लोग पागल मेरे पागल बना रहे हो.
Nice meet Miti.
Hi.
Really unique name. मैंने कभी नहीं सुना था.
Miti.
Yeah, Miti. And मतलब है a very auspicious day according to the Hindu calendar. It's a very unique name. So she is from Lucknow, as a few others. She is also doing.
हमारे यार बहुत लोग आए हैं.
She's doing her hospitality undergrad. She's in the final year, and she does not like physical activity at all. Not even walking.
No. I like walking. Walking.
Walking is a requirement of life.
It's a requirement, but if given a chance, she would not do that as well. And just now, she told me she also loves looking at the stars.
Hyman, stargazing. Comment.
Nice bro.
Talking to him actually.
So, and she, given a choice, she would definitely start her own thing in baking. She loves designing cakes and decorating them like they do in the shows. So she has this thing for them. Exactly. But given the choices, but currently she would be pursuing a rather dull job, I would say.
It's not dull. Really, but yeah.
As compared
It's not what I want.
Yeah.
Cubicle job.
Can you repeat that?
She would be pursuing a job
I can't
as a front desk manager. But her particular thing, her own liking is for baking. The interest the interest. That is something she would, I think she would do. Talking to her, she was a really sweet person.
She was. Miti, are you okay?
And that's it.
We haven't heard the voice of Surili. What irony.
She's from
Ranchi.
but now she stays here and she's an artist. And she likes friends, walking friends, and I like really proud of her because last night she had an anxiety attack. She was in hospital till 11:30 in the morning, but she came here. And she's an introvert like me,
But yeah, if I got to know her, I know she'll like be a like very good person and a crazy person like me only. Yeah, okay, that's it.
Hi, Muskan.
He is doing BBA from IP College, IP University. And like she really wants to become a dancer though. That's what she loves. And she's really close to her family. And she has this great stage fright. Very, very, very introverted. Doesn't really have good friends, but has one very good friend whom she met online.
Nice.
And I think she says that she hasn't had the down point yet. That's good.
You'll find it. We all do.
She's a crazy fan of Taylor Swift.
Oh my god.
Taylor Swift.
I like it. Nice. Okay.
And she lied to come here. She said she's going to college.
Everybody did that. Even I did that. Come on. कि मैं college जा रही हूँ dude. पापा मुझे बोलती पापा ऐसे strangers से मिलने जा रही कहते घर बैठ.
And she's here just to be better in conversations and.
Surili has a nice voice.
Surili has a Surili voice.
Pick the next one.
This is Varsha.
Hi, Varsha.
And she's from Mathura. And if I was to describe her, it would be dance. She likes to dance. She dances all the time, and she tells me like her mother gets annoyed of her dancing. And she's pursuing political science under DU. Yeah. And talking to her for a few minutes, like she's a really happy person. She laughs a lot, and yeah.
We can see that.
Switch क्यों उसका तो उन्होंने? वही switch. अच्छा.
She is Ruth. RUTH.
Hi, Ruth. Hi.
Okay. Sorry, name?
Ruth. RUTH. Ruth.
She loves dancing. Also, she loves dancing, makeup, and also
it shows.
Pretty good.
She's from Mizoram.
Representing Mizoram.
She's doing philosophy. Yeah, philosophy.
कौन था वो teacher?
Dere, Guruji.
And one thing I tell you about her, like I like her bubblish chicks. I was told her and I was teach Hindi and then she loves songs first of all, and then also I was teaching Nitnish like कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में किसी के like everyone
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में किसी के लिए.
So you were teaching her?
Yeah. And then I was promised her कि I will definitely teach Hindi. And then yeah, that's it. Okay. And one thing, we both are same because we have no goals. Like everyone says me. No. Everyone says me in my class. Like Varsha, what's your goal? मैंने कहा यार मेरे को डांस करवा लो. मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है उसके बाद. Because I love dancing. Literally, I love dancing and.
तुझे पसंद नहीं डांसिंग?
अभिलाषा की
दोस्त मैं तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
जूनियर.
अभिलाषा की junior.
Invited you here?
Should I need to?
Yeah.
Just came to know.
You need.
Shweta.
Yeah. How do you know Shweta?
Do I really need?
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. So. Sorry. I think the only thing we share in common is that we both are shooting for.
नाम तो बताओ.
Guys.
उसका.
Guys.
I forgot his name.
You just asked him.
He didn't tell me. उनको हंसने लगा. I got name.
Hi, Sandeep. Okay, what do you guys?
क्या ये भाई क्या है ये मजाक कर रहे हो हाय बोलो यार He might not have too much to say about me because I kept asking him too many questions. So he is currently the assistant manager for a startup that's trying to re-innovate how government projects are implemented. So I could probably go into the details of that, but I think तुम सब scatter हो जाओगे at that point. So I think he's
आप हंस रही हैं, आप खुलिए.
Sorry, I screwed it up. He's from Chandigarh.
Representing Chandigarh, yeah.
So now 3 months, right? Yeah. He's 4 months in, not pretty close. So 4 months in Delhi, and I think he was an intern before here as well, right? Yeah. And now he's working in as assistant manager. So yeah, there's that. उसके बाद everything is too specific, so we won't like that.
That's it.
मैं कॉन्फिस्केट कर रहा हूँ यार इधर ला भोसड़ी के फूकी जा रहे हैं यहाँ सबके मुंह पे
हमने इतनी No. I have like 1 or 2 friends from Amity.
Sick discomfort.
And he's also new to Delhi.
Somebody have किसको तो होना ही पड़ता है यार अब क्या करें.
Who's from Amity? What's the name?
Amity. Unfortunately, someone has to be from Amity.
Your name?
भरानी तो है वो सीखा है.
मैं यहाँ डालूंगा Amity.
Amity.
नहीं मैं करूँगा मैं यहाँ डालूंगा Amity वीडियो में.
अभी ग्रेजुएट हो वापस से.
Yeah, so he's
Fucking millennials, I told
and
you.
he's also new to Delhi.
Yes.
Delhi.
Delhi man.
Delhi bro.
मैंने तो बस इतना ही सुना.
इतना ही गाया. I asked him too many questions इसलिए I think जब तक end हुआ तो it was like अरे यार अपने बारे में तो बता पहले.
पहले हमने 4 का ग्रुप बना लिया था. हम चारों एक दूसरे का सुन रहे थे. उसके बाद पैर बना के
उसके बाद पैर बनाए तो I think I'll take the blame if he doesn't have much to say about me.
अच्छा, do you want to tell something about yourself?
Later. First,
says too much about me. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही सवाल पूछ रहा था इससे.
अरे अपना बता दे भाई कुछ.
I've been in Delhi for 3 years and I just graduated from Amity. Somebody has to. And then I just started working I think for 6 months. So I was working remotely from home. So I could have gone back to Dehradun. But now I just shifted jobs and now I think I might be living in Delhi permanently. I hope so. But I like Delhi more than Dehradun.
That's right. है ना
Hey, I love Delhi यार.
Like I've spent my last 8 years in Chennai itself.
Nice.
तभी चेन्नई
श्वेता
Sorry यार.
Tamil.
Tamil तेरी अम्मा.
You speak Tamil.
I speak Telugu. I can understand Tamil.
Chinese anyone?
Next pair.
Japanese, Chinese. Basics.
Who's left here?
Calm.
The people who have already introduced और मतलब जो बोल चुके सब इस साइड आ जाओ जिसने नहीं बोला इस साइड आ जाओ.
पता चले जिसने नहीं बोला वो भी आ.
साई कुत्ती है इनका नाम और इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं. फाइनल सेमेस्टर है भाई.
ड्रॉप करना.
ये लेगी तब ना. या तमिलनाडु से दिल्ली से मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ. मैं तमिलनाडु से और भाई जोर बाग चल के आए इधर.
क्यों भाई
वो तान्या है ना
वो
लेके आइए. मैं इतनी बात करी बस.
वो तान्या है.
हाँ भाई इसका नाम पुलकित है.
तारीफ हो रही है तेरी.
Everybody say bye to Aditya.
अभी लेते हैं 1 मिनट रुक. मेरे को तलब.
हाँ जी भाई साइकिल.
मेरे लिए भी लेग.
अरे यार अभी मत.
भाई इसका नाम पुलकित है. पुलकित. बंदे ने बाइक ट्रिप मारी है सोलो लद्दाख तक. और क्या कर रहा था? कौन से कॉलेज के लिए तैयारी कर रहा था? हाँ FTII. He wants to be a cinematographer जो भी.
सिनेमेटोग्राफी होता है. He wants to be a cinematographer.
और बंदे के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. और क्या था? और कुछ नहीं था. इतना ही था.
Cool. वो जो तो एंट्री वाला. हाँ
हाँ जी. Okay. आगे जाओ. सब बोलो हाय.
Come to the podium beside the dog. नहीं वो अभी सो रहा है. सो रहा है अभी.
मानक लॉ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, जज नहीं करना एमिटी से.
जज ये करेगा, ये करेगा.
Amity.
And she's Tanya. She's working.
और क्या जाना तुम?
ये हंस रहे थे वहाँ पे. ये तो तुम रिवाइज करके आई थी बस उसका
यही
नाम.
तो किया
बस इतना याद.
तुमने इतना टाइम दिया था तुम.
तोमर कह रही है मैंने 3 लड़कों से बात करी थी, इसको सिलेक्ट करा मैंने. कुछ तो अच्छा हो गया.
जोड़ी मेकर चल रहा है.
नहीं मैंने एडवांटेज नहीं चाहिए भाई मेरे को.
And she's Tanya. She's working in Noida in Shade.
हाय तान्या.
हाय तान्या. पता है सब सिर्फ हाय बोल. यार हाय बोल दो. जस्ट मेक सम स्टफ अबाउट ईच अदर. जो भी तुम्हारे मन में है, इसको देख के क्या लगता है कैसी होगी?
नहीं हो रही है.
अरे जनरली पूछ रहे, दोस्तों के बारे में नहीं बता सकते तुम?
वो बाबू को कोई बात नहीं, पहले तान्या बताएगी.
ड्राइविंग आती है तुम्हें? मेरे को नहीं आती.
घर छोड़ देना.
घर से फोन आ रहा है वापस के सैरिवन का जुगाड़ करने.
मिल गया मेरे को लड़का. उसका नाम पूछ लिया है मैंने.
मैंने चूज कर लिया उसे.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Surya, you first.
हाय सूर्या.
He's our official photographer for Yes Theory Delhi. So Surya just moved to Delhi a couple years ago, and fun fact, he learned Hindi after coming to Delhi. Now he
Come on, guys.
थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा था मैं क्या बोल रहा था. Achievement unlocked.
Where you from? Hyderabad. Represent.
So he has a few dreams in his life that he told me about. One of his dreams was to film a travel film in Iceland.
Iceland.
And, another one was to buy his father Royal Enfield and take his mother to भाई काफी selfless है.
Clearly.
And काफी talented अपना वीडियो क्रिएटर है भाई है. So we'll be doing a video after this meetup. You guys will see.
Yes.
भाई में कितना टैलेंट है.
भाई में बहुत टैलेंट.
मैंने इंटरव्यू शूट
भाई 4K वीडियोस G ड्राइव पे अपलोड करता है, बोलता है डाउनलोड कर लेना.
That was Surya film. Okay.
PK तो मैं.
So this is PK. सब जानते ही होंगे.
हाय PK.
अपना ग्रुप का एडमिन.
इंडिया एडमिन. Yes Theory.
Yes Theory.
Yes Theory India admin.
ED और थॉमस ब्रैड को इसने होस्ट करा था.
हाँ, we know. We met.
So ताली बजा दो.
ठीक है ना, इतना भी कुछ नहीं है.
चलो तो इंडिया में हुआ था, बट ही ऑलमोस्ट लिव्ड मतलब यूएस में थे और वहाँ पर 30 स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ एक रोड ट्रिप किया था. तब यस थ्योरी के बारे में उनको पता चला. ही वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय दैट. सो यहाँ पर आके ये सब स्टार्ट किया. ठीक है ना,
ये सब
मीटअप्स वगैरह. इनका सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम ये है कि मतलब
He wants to do
Yeah,
that.
you know
what it is. शर्माओ मत.
अरे उसका ड्रीम है, तू क्यों शर्मा रहा है?
मतलब एक वर्ल्ड फेमस मीटअप करना चाहता है. मतलब सबसे बड़ा.
Who making that happen, bro?
And कुछ और भी ड्रीम्स है. एक्टिव वॉल्केनो देखना चाहता है, मतलब ट्रैवल करना चाहता है वहाँ पर. एंड एक फेमस पर्सन के साथ डेट पे जाना चाहता है.
Active volcano does not mean live viewing us.
So this is PK. Yeah, thank you.
इससे ज्यादा तुम्हें बता दूँ.
क्या भैया डेट फिक्स करा.
Hey, आप कौन बचा है? जल्दी आ जाओ. We'll do another activity.
This is Shreyash.
Hi Shreyas.
He's from Bombay. और जैसे कि मराठी में से I'm believing he's a
Okay.
एकदम मजे. And he's pursuing IIM PM IPM.
What is it?
what's it?
MBA और BBA का
Where are you?
combined
From where?
program होता है 5 साल.
No. IPM from?
Studying for the course.
Oh, for the course. Okay.
Sorry.
I thought Delhi में कौन IPM दे रहा है?
And I guess he loves photography and traveling also.
Nice.
हमारे भाई से बात कीजिए, वो आपको बताएंगे.
Hi guys, this is Somansh.
Hi Somansh.
Actually, the thing is, we have seen each other, but we don't know each other because we live in the same hostel, but we have never had a conversation. So we have one thing in common.
Your pools are rattling. I am lung. I see your faces before they bump. I see your faces. 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 I see your faces.
किसमें आएगा है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा. हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बोला तो समझ आया, ये जी न समझ आया. हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझ आया, यही न समझ आया. बहुत भूला है बेचारा, न जाने किस पे है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस में आएगा.